Here's a pair of Bose 700 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an LG TV, LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing you got to do is go to the settings on the LG TV. You may have a settings button on your remote with a little gear icon, or you can navigate to the TV as well. You can see the gear icon top right hand side. You can just click on the home button. Let me click on it again. Make sure you're on the screen here, and top right hand side is the gear icon for settings. So let me go up and then let me go right. Let me go up, up, and you can see the pink is highlighted in settings. Let's click on OK right there. Now we get this right hand pane here. So now we're just going to go down, down, and just go to sound out. Okay, currently it says internal speaker on mine. So let me go ahead and move over to the right now. Move over to the right. Oops, sorry. Let me click on OK. Now it's on TV speakers, okay? I don't want that. Let's move over to the right. Optical, I don't want that. Move over to the right. HDMI ARC, I don't want that. Move over to the right. Bluetooth is what we want, okay? And it's grayed out. We have to go down to device selection. So let me go down right there. And now we're going to click on OK. And now it's searching, okay, for anything that's in pairing mode. So let's go and put this in pairing mode, the right hand side here. You see the power button here, okay, not here, here. So let's tap on that. And you should get a blue pulsating light, a blue blinking light, which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So, okay, wow, mine's a solid blue. It's not blinking blue. That's probably because it's connected to a different device somewhere or trying to connect. Let me go ahead and reset these really fast, okay? Let me press and hold this power button here. Let me press and hold and wait for 10 or 15 seconds until my Bluetooth list is cleared. Bluetooth disconnected. Okay, Bluetooth list is now cleared. And now again, okay, so now we're blinking blue here. So it's in pairing mode, okay? So now I can go back to Bluetooth, or I can just go back to search again, okay? So let me just go to search. You can see it's highlighted right there. Now let me click on OK. And then this is in the pairing mode, okay? And give it 1 second here. Oh, there it is. Bose 700 headphones right there. So let me go ahead and click on that right there. It's still blinking blue. It'll be a solid blue once it's actually connected. It just said it's connected. You see a solid blue light. It says the Bose 700 is connected. And you can see the paired devices. You can see the check. Okay, you can see my AirPods are not connected, but it's paired to this TV. Okay. Anyway, there you guys go. Any questions, issues? Comment below. Good luck, guys.